Down outside like crazy. It is coming down like crazy outside right now. I'm going to try and get my camera to focus because it is not in focus right now. There it goes. Oh. Just wild to see how it's still blurred. Come on, baby. Come on. Sparky, you're fine, dude. You're fine. It's not gonna. It's not really wanting to unblur, is it? No, it's not. Let's back up a little bit. See if that helps. Here, I'll show an area of focus. And we'll try and get it to focus. Whoa, that's some good amount of lightning there. Alrighty, let's head back over to the radar deck and we'll go take a look at what's going on outside through radar. So let's close this door. You're fine, Sparky. I know you're freaking out, but you're fine. Nothing's wrong. So, it's been another half hour, and we'll check our updated NOAA weather radio and Doppler radar stuff. So, let's grab our electrical cable. I'll plug my phone back in, keep it nice and charged. Uh-oh, I did the wrong direction for the tilt. Oops, and the orientation lock is not working, so. Alright, well, let's take a look. I'm gonna, for cinematic effect to go, I'm gonna put you down for just a second. I'm gonna turn the lights off in here. Just to give it a little more of a server-like appearance. So, no new notifications have come through the database yet. I've been keeping an eye on the logs. My Midlands have been sleeping, basically. They're still blinking, but they don't say anything more. So, but yeah, let's do a refresh on the radar. And this junk just stays right on top of us. It's not leaving. It's just its relativity is staying where it's wanting to stay. So, still enjoying that fruit I had earlier. See if I can show you guys the weather outside. Boom! I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. It's gonna be dark, but it'll be worse if I come down. Okay. Oh no. Light's not blurry. Nope. Wow, look at that lightning, guys. Isn't that cool? I'll start the NOAA weather radio and see if any notifications have been canceled while we listen to the thunder.
A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 430 in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in the listening area in Arkansas: Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for
it's always fun to
weather
watch the
conditions
lightning
and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Tornado Watch number 429 continues until 12 midnight Central Standard Time for the following counties in the listening area in Oklahoma: Adair, Cherokee, Choctaw, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, McIntosh, Mayes,
Jeez, that's some epic lightning.
Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington. Tornadoes. Hail up to golf ball size and wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour will be possible in and close to the watch area. Average storm movement is expected to be to the northeast at 45 miles an hour. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms will likely spread into eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas this evening. Very large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes will all be likely. Residents across the region, especially those at outdoor venues this evening, should monitor the situation very closely. Watches and warnings will likely be issued later today. Here are some safety rules to keep in mind when severe weather is expected or is occurring. Before severe weather strikes, ensure that you and your family are fully prepared. In a home or building, have a pre-designated shelter, such as a basement or an interior room or hallway. Have on hand a disaster supply kit, including a NOAA weather radio, flashlight, radio, and a good supply of batteries. If a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning is issued, seek shelter indoors immediately. A severe thunderstorm is defined as producing quarter-size or greater hail and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or more. In extreme cases, severe thunderstorms can produce winds to near 150 miles per hour and hail larger than grapefruits, which can cause extensive property damage.
Whoa, that was a good
Tornadoes
lightning
form very
strike
rapidly
shot.
from severe thunderstorms. If you are in a tornado watch and a severe thunderstorm warning is issued for your area, monitor local conditions closely and be ready to take quick action to save your life. Remember that lightning is a thunderstorm's most underrated killer. Postpone outdoor activities if thunderstorms are imminent. This is the best way to avoid being caught in a dangerous situation. Automobiles offer good protection from lightning, although moving indoors is best. Even inside, lightning can kill by coming through the phone lines, plumbing, and electric lines. Therefore, do not use computers, telephones, or other handheld appliances during a storm. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or television for the latest on this developing severe weather event. Additional weather information, including related graphics, can be found at weather.gov/Tulsa. And now the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 5:22 p.m. Central Standard Time.
It's just wild to
Severe
see the
weather
lightning.
expected through this evening. This outlook is for northwest and west central Arkansas, as well as much of eastern Oklahoma. For tonight, tornado. Risk elevated. Area primarily along and south of Interstate 44 and especially south to west central Arkansas. Onset after 6 p.m. Severe thunderstorm. Risk critical. Area all eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset after 6 p.m. Area at greatest risk southeast Oklahoma through northwest Arkansas. Heavy rain. Risk limited. Area far eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset evening through early Saturday morning. Discussion. Thunderstorms are developing over southeastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas, and storms will continue to increase in coverage through the evening hours. Storms will end from west to east and clear western Arkansas during the early morning hours on Saturday. Conditions continue to appear favorable for severe weather across much of eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Instability continues to increase across the region this afternoon and will trend upward through the evening hours. Winds aloft will also become more favorable for severe storms, and very strong low-level winds are forecast to develop across southeast Oklahoma and western Arkansas by early evening. As storms develop and move into the more favorable conditions, tornadic potential will increase. Current forecasts do suggest the potential for a strong tornado across southeast Oklahoma through west central Arkansas during the evening hours. Additionally, large hail and locally damaging straight-line winds will be possible, especially with any discrete storm cells. Severe weather watches and warnings should be anticipated. Know your severe weather safety procedures. Spotter and Emergency Management Action Statement. Activation of the Regional Spotter Network expected. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Saturday, high wind potential. Sunday through Thursday, no hazards. Extended discussion, mild
That was a
temperatures
good
and
one.
gusty west to southwest winds will raise fire weather concern Saturday. Some light rain or snow will also be possible in some places late Sunday night, but no significant wintry precipitation is expected. Weather.gov/Tulsa contains additional information. The short-term forecast. At 8 p.m., National Weather Service radars continue to detect thunderstorms and rain showers over most of eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Movement was to the northeast at 35 miles an hour. Through 10 p.m., thunderstorms and rain showers will continue to move across the region. The greatest risk for significant severe weather remains over southeast Oklahoma and western Arkansas, where large hail, damaging winds, dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning, and heavy rainfall are all possible. A tornado threat is also present across this area as well. A tornado watch remains in effect for all of eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. The current time is 8:24 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8 p.m. at Drake Field and Fayetteville, rain and fog were reported. The temperature was 64, dew point 61, relative humidity 90%.
So just so you guys know, this storm that we're looking at right now, that's happening outside, this is just the beginning. We still have another cluster, and it's looking a lot worse than this first
At
one.
the Northwest Arkansas Regional Airport, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 64. The wind was east at 9. At Fort Smith, it was cloudy with a temperature of 66. The wind was southeast at 7. In Little Rock, light rain was falling with a temperature of 65. The wind was south at 7. At Harrison, a thunderstorm was reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile with a temperature of 58. The wind was southeast at 22, gusting to 38. In Hot Springs, light rain was falling with a temperature of 68. The wind was southeast at 7. Around the region, in Tulsa, it was cloudy with a temperature of 63. In Muskogee, it was cloudy with a temperature of 64. In McAllister, thunder was reported with a temperature of 66. In Springfield, it was cloudy with a temperature of 57. At Joplin, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 60. And in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 70. Once again, in western Arkansas, temperatures were between 64 and 66 degrees. At Fort Smith, it was cloudy. At Fayetteville, rain and fog were reported. The forecast for the Fayetteville area, including much of the Arkansas Ozarks and adjacent counties of northeast Oklahoma. Tonight, periods of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe in the evening. Lows in the upper 40s. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Saturday, mostly sunny, then becoming mostly cloudy early in the afternoon, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around 30 miles per hour. Saturday night, clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs around 50. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Northwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Monday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Tuesday night, partly lows in the lower 20s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 20s. Thursday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of light rain. Highs in the mid-40s. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of light rain. Lows in the mid-30s. Friday, cloudy with a 50% chance of light rain and light sleet. Highs in the upper 30s. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 52 in Fayetteville, Arkansas. These broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Tulsa. Transmitting facilities are located in northwest Arkansas and serve Fayetteville and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 429 in effect until 12 midnight Central Standard Time for the following counties in the listening area: in Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Cherokee, Choctaw, Cole, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, LaFleur, McIntosh, Mies, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 430 in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in the listening area: in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Tornado Watch number 429 continues until 12 midnight Central Standard Time for the following counties in the listening area: in Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Choctaw, Craig, Delaware, Haskell, LaFleur, McIntosh, Mies, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington. Tornadoes. Hail up to golf ball size and wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour will be possible in and close to the watch area. Average storm movement is expected to be to the northeast at 45 miles an hour. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later.
Alrighty guys, welcome to the live stream. If you have just joined, welcome. As you may or may not know, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado watch. So I'm going to continue to monitor the radar while you guys enjoy watching the thunderstorm. I need to plug in my communicator phone for the live stream though. Also, if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll respond. Alright, let me get that charger cable. I was using it for my battery pack, but I think my battery pack is back up to full capacity, so that's another thing. I need to make sure my phone isn't getting too low on power. If it is, then we're in trouble. 36%. Darn. Well, I guess I'll just hook up the battery pack in a minute when we reach critical low mass, but for now, I need that Android charger so I can plug in my Samsung phone. They're starting to cancel out tornado watches, so that's a good sign. Plug in my rescue phone. There we go. So let's go on and take a look at the radar again while we have a minute. And no status updates have been declared yet, just more rain basically. Not really anything else to report, but here's the spreadsheet for the area of Northwest Arkansas. So let's go on and check the radar, and we will see what's going on. So this system over here has been lingering in the Oklahoma City area for the last half hour and adjusted. So we have to just keep an eye on it, and if it gets more intense, then we will have to move on elsewhere. But let me grab my rescue cable here for my phone. I'm going to plug you guys back in, and we'll just keep an eye on things for a little bit. So, rotate it this way. Can't do that though because the orientation lock is on. So we'll put you right here, and I'll turn my camera around, and I'll turn the light on so you guys can see me. So just got to keep my battery charged, otherwise things get crazy. So, ooh, wrong way again. Come on. Rotate. There you go. Perfect phone. Okay, good. So, anyway, it's been kind of off and on for the last, I don't know, half hour, but haven't seen anything super exciting yet. So, we'll see what happens. But, we'll keep things up to speed. So, let's see. Well, doesn't matter. So what I'm using for live streaming right now is a iPhone 5, but I'm monitoring my live stream and making sure you guys can see my live stream with this phone right here, which I'll show you. So let me rotate it. So you see me right there. That's my rescue phone, and I'm just making sure you guys can see me, and it's kind of like a backstage feed camera, so not much different than actually doing a real news feed, but I can't actually listen to it, otherwise I would just hear myself talking and it gets distracted. So I'm gonna actually leave YouTube on that service right now because I need it to charge. But yeah, I think that'll suffice for at least a little bit. And if you guys want to see, oh, we actually have 3 people. Hello, whoever just joined. I was gonna end the live stream right here, but if you guys still have time and maybe 25-30 minutes, come back and see me, because I've still got more information, and the storm grows as we continue onward. So leave a comment if you want. I can respond to the comments. Yeah, I added a comment earlier, but I guess maybe that's just my smartphone. So I guess we'll end it off here, and catch you guys in maybe 30 minutes. So see you then.